Hello, today we are going to discuss about switching. So it is a process to forward the packet in a switched Ethernet network. So in this we will learn about what is a switch, then the function of the switch and the various switching modes. So let's first start with what is a switch. So switch, as we discussed earlier, a switch is a networking device which connects the devices or various network elements together in a computer network. So we can say that it is a centralized device which connects the multiple devices in a network. So what is a switching? So switching is a process in which switch is used to forward the packet in a network. So here switch works at the data link layer, that is layer 2 of an OSI model. But some switches also work at networking layer. Those switches are known as the multi-layer switches. Such switches work as both like router and switch also. So they works at the network layer of an OSI model. The next is, it is also an intelligent device which understands the MAC addresses and store it. So they learn the MAC addresses, then store it in a table known as CAM table, that is content addressable memory table. So it has the capability to do a unicast. It also send the message in a unicast form, that from one source to the one destination. So that the message sent between source and destination is known as unicast messages. And switch works on a concept of CSMACD, that is carrier sense multiple access collision domain. As we have earlier discussed about this, that before sending the packet over the Ethernet cable or over the medium, the device sends the carrier that is free or not, then after that it send the packet over it. So this switch also use this concept to send the packet in a network. So switch ports are made up of a special hardware called ASIC, that is application specific integrated circuit. So ASIC is an integrated embedded hardware that has a capability of switching millions of packets per second, with many more features such as buffering of data packets. So these are the features of the switch. The next is the function of switch. So switch perform three functions, that is learning, forwarding and preventing. So first is learning. In learning, the switch learns the MAC addresses and then it store it into the table known as CAM table, content addressable memory. Next function is forwarding. So a switch perform a function of forward the packet in a network according to the address given in the packet, the address of source and destination. According to that, it forward the packet in a network. The next is preventing layer 2 switching loop. This is an important function of the switch, that it is an intelligent device, so it prevents the switching loop in a network. If any loop occurs in the network, it discard the switching loop from the network. So it also prevents the broadcast from in the network. So these are the three functions of the switch. The next is the mode of switching, or the working mode of the switching. So switch works in three modes, that is cut through, store and forward, and fragment free. So first of all, discuss about cut through. So in this mode, switch start forwarding packet before receiving the complete frame. It means before receiving a complete frame, it start the forwarding the packet to the destination. So in this, just it checks the destination address and start forwarding the packet without checking the error in the frame. So it's only start in forwarding, it can't check the error in the frames. In next mode, that is store and forward mode. In this mode, the switch start forwarding the packet after receiving the complete frame. Before forwarding the packet, it receives the whole frame and then it forward the packet to the destination. So here the one drawbacks comes, that there is high latency will occur, means higher delay will occur, and delay will decided by the frame length, or it depend upon the frame length. If the frame length is large, then the delay is also large, and if the frame length is small, the delay is small. So here drawbacks occur, that is high latency. So switch checks the complete frame, and if error is detected in the frame, then it discard the whole frame. So this is the concept of store and forward. The next is fragment free mode. So in this mode, the length of received bit is described. That is, it decided the length of the received bit, that it will only receive the 64 bits, and after receiving 64 bit, it starts forwarding the packet to the destination without receiving the complete frame. So switch check the 64 bits for error, and if error finds, which will drop the packet, and this will reduce the latency in the network. So it is a efficient method to send the packet in a network. So switch use the fragment free mode to send the packet in a network. So this is all about switching. Thank you.